Hey guys, this is Vic from DNV Mobile Auto Repair. We've come to a customer's location for a vehicle inspection, and as a part of the process, we'll be checking the brakes and under the hood. So we're going to be raising the customer's car with our mobile lift, and we just wanted to show you the process on how we go about doing this for our customers. So now that the car has been lifted, we have better access to remove the tires, check the brakes, and do everything else. So we just wanted to show you the process again. And if you have any questions or if you have any inspection or brake repair needs, please give us a call. Our number is 604 518 6684. Thank you.